Good afternoon, children. I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So, children of Standard 5, today I am going to start the session of this beautiful thought. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. I repeat, if you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. With this beautiful thought, I am proceeding my session with the table tricks. Today I am going to students. I have taught you the table tricks of one digit number with the one digit number. Now today I am going to teach you to do the two digit number, to multiply two digit number with a two digit number. So for example, 12 multiplied by 24. Without following the table multiplication rule, I am going to teach you. Firstly, write 1 and 2 little bit separated. Now below this, write 2 and 4. Correct? Now first trick is you will multiply this 4 and 2 or 2 with 4. This is the first trick. First step. First step is you multiply 2 with 4 or 4 with 2. Now second step, cross multiplication. You multiply 1 with 4 and then add with the multiplication of 2 with 2. This is the second step. And third step is you will multiply this 1 with 2 or 2 with 1. Okay, now let's start to do the multiplication. So start with from this side, right side, 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay, single digit I am writing here. Now I am doing the cross multiplication. 1 4s are 4, add with 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Write 8 here. Now come to this side. Left side, multiply 1 with 2 or 2 with 1. 2 1s are 2. So write here. So the answer is 288. So let's check it with the help of simple multiplication rule. 12, 24. Multiply. Start with 1s. 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Now it's 2 tens. So 1 0 will be at tens place. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Add it. 8, 8, 2. See, this 288. This is also 280. This is 288. This is also 288. Now let's take another example. 49 multiply with 34. Right. So firstly we write 4 and 9 separately, and then below it we write 3 plus 4. Okay. Firstly we follow this rule. Then we follow this rule plus addition, and then we follow this rule. What is this? Firstly we multiply 9 with 4. 9 4s are 36. So I will write here 6 from 36 and 3 will go as a carryover. Now add this. Do the cross multiplication. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 9s are 27. So 6 plus 7, 13, 3, 1 carryover, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 43. 43 plus add this carryover, 3. So it is 3 plus 3, 6 and 4. From 46 I will write 6 here and 4 will go as a carryover. Now multiply 4 with 3 or 3 with 4. 4 3s are 12. Add with the carryover, 4 plus 2, 6 and 1. Now write this 16 here. So here answer is 1666. Now let's check it. 49, 34. Do the multiplication. Start from 1s. 4 9 is 36, 3, 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 19. Now 0, tens place for 3 9 is 27, 7, 2 carry over, 3 4 is 12 plus 2, 14. Now add it. 6, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carryover, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 and 1. C. This 1666, and here also with the help of trick we get 1666 in a very few minutes. So you can also do it. Now let's take another example, children. Third example, 65 multiplied by 84. Now here firstly I am writing this 6565 in a segregated way. Now I am writing 8 and 4. Now same method, we will firstly multiply 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20. From 20 I will take 0 over here and 2 will go as a carryover. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. 6 4s are 24 plus 8 5s are 40. Add it. Right. Now 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 4 6. Now add this 2 with 64. So it will become 66. I will take this 6 ones from here. I will write here at the hundreds place, tens place. So 6 will go as a, this 6 will go as a carryover. Now multiply this 8 and 6 or 6 with 8. 6 8s are 48. Add with 6 plus 8, 14, 4, 1 carryover, 4 plus 1, 54. So I am writing here 5, 4. So this is the answer, 5460. So let's check it. 65, 84. 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carryover, 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. Now 0, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carryover, 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Now add it. 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 2 plus 2, 4 and 5. C. This answer, the long cut method and this is the shortcut method. Both are same. Now let us take another example. 88 is multiplied by 98. So firstly I will write 88 segregated and then 98. First step, children, we will multiply 8 with 8. 8 8 is 64. I am writing here 4 and 6 will here at the carryover. Now add it. Do the cross multiplication and add it. 8 8 is 64. Now 8 9s are 72. We add it. 4 plus 2 6. 6 and 7 13. Now we adding 6. The 6 plus 6 12. 3 plus 1 4 and 1. We will take this ones of 2 here at the tens place. Now 14 will be taken as a carryover. Now multiply 9 with 8. So here 8 9s are 72. We add it. 4 plus 2 6. 7 plus 1 8. So write here 86. This is the answer. Now let's check it. 88 and 98. 8 8 is 64. 6 carryover. 8 8 is 64 plus 6 70. Now 9 10s 90. 9 8 is 72. 2 7 carryover. 9 8 is 72 plus 7 79. Now add it. 4 2 7 and 9 16 6 1 carryover. 7 plus 1 8. Hey, see, 8624. Both are same. Okay, so let us take another example. 39 multiplied by 47. So similarly you write 39 and 47. Multiply it. So how we will do? Firstly we multiply 9 and 7. 9 7s are 63. I am writing here 3 and 6 will go as a carryover. Now cross multiplication. 3 7s are 21 plus 9 4s are 36. Add it. 7 5 and add 6 with it. So total it is 63. So from 63 6 and 7 3 and 5 and 6. 63 I will writing 6 here and 3 here and 6 will go as a carryover. Now multiply this. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 1. So answer is 1833. 1833. So in this way, children, you can apply shortcut methods in order to do the multiplication. So let us take another. I am giving you some assignment. So this is your assignment. Multiply 44 with 20. Second, 96 with 69. Third, 43 with 12. Fourth, 88 with 92. And fifth one is children, 26 multiplied by 34. So this is your assignment, children. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Bye bye. Take care.